Good afternoon, children. In the previous period, you have learned already latitudes, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. What is their degrees? How many latitudes are there? Total 181, no? 90 latitudes to the north of the equator, 90 latitudes to the south of the equator. Now, we will go to study about the lines of latitude. Give us the position of a place to the north or south of the equator. Longitudes. Now, longitudes means lines of longitudes run from the north to the south and meet at the poles. Okay, children. Now, I will show you this one picture. This is passes through this north to south. We call it axis. Then here one pole, small pole or tiny pole, we call it north pole. In the bottom side one pole is there. This is south pole. Yes. See here, children. Here one red longitude is there. It is prime meridian. What is this? Prime meridian. Do you know the meaning of meridian? Yes. Meridian is a Latin word which means midday or noon. Midday or noon. Prime meridian means it passes through the observatory at Greenwich near London. Greenwich is marked as longitude 0 degree. Longitude 0 degree. See here, children. Prime meridian. Okay, now I will show you one by one. They have given here so many states and then they have given here countries with their times. Okay. First one India, second one New York, France, Alaska, Johannesburg, UAE, Melbourne, Mexico. Here so many clocks are there and they have given here different times. 14th November 9 am, 13th November the time it is 10:30 pm. In the France same time we will get 14th November 4:30 am. See here 4:30 am. Here 10:30 pm but here 4:30 am. In Alaska we will get the same time in the 13th November 6:30 pm. Johannesburg 14th November we will get the time 5:30 am. UAE 14th November 7:30 am. Melbourne 14th November 2:30 pm. Mexico 13th November 9:30 pm. This like we will get different times in the different countries. It is 9 am in India. Now it is 9 am. What is the time in this place? See here, children. We live in India. We are Indians. We live in India. In our India time is now 9 am. But what is the time in these places? Can you know? Yes, you can know. Tell me. The first one, New York. If in India 9 am, in the New York, what we will get? 10:30. 10:30 pm. In the France, 4:30 am. In the France, 4:30. UAE, 7:30 am. Melbourne, 2:30 pm. Alaska, 6:30 pm. Mexico, 9:30 pm. Johannesburg, 5:30 am. This like will get the different times in different countries. not same in at all countries. We get different time. Means in India 9, in the New York that time is 10:30 p.m. Here 9 a.m. in India, in the New York 10:30 p.m. That like we will get the different times in different countries. Yes. Is it the same time in all the places? No. We do not get the same times in all places because every country has a different times. The difference is because of their position or location. The difference is because of their position or a location. Depend upon position and location, we will get the different times in different countries. Lines of longitude run from the north to south and meet at the poles. Okay? Longitudes. What are these? Longitudes. We call these lines longitudes. See children, these lines are also known as meridians. What we call these lines? Meridians. We call these meridians. We call these meridians. Meridian is a Latin word which means midday or noon. A meridian of longitude joins places that have midday at the same time. As the earth rotates on its axis, the position of the sun shifts from meridian to meridian. When the sun is above the meridian, it is noon at places that are on that particular meridian. Can you understand this one? Yes. Listen here. When the sun is above each meridian, when the sun is above each meridian, it is noon at place. On that time, there is a noon. At place is noon that are on that particular meridian. If the sun is above this meridian, in this place you get noon. Otherwise in the sun is above this meridian, you get on that place noon time. Okay? The prime meridian passes through the observatory at Greenwich. The prime meridian, the red line is there here. The red line is called prime meridian. The prime meridian passes through the observatory at Greenwich. See here, Greenwich, this is near London. The Greenwich is near the London. Greenwich is marked as latitude 0 degree. See here children, England. See here, this is England. Longitudes help in calculating the time of places. These lines help in calculating the time of the places. You already learned. Many countries having different times. So, the reason is calculating the times of places. Reason is longitudes. Okay children. The next one is, turn the page. In 1884, the nations of the world choose Greenwich as the prime or chief meridian. Chief meridian. The prime meridian divides the earth into two equal hemispheres, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. All other longitudes are measured east and west of the prime meridian. There are 180 longitudes towards the east of the prime meridian and 180 longitudes towards the west of the prime meridian. See here children, 180 longitudes towards the east of the prime meridian, 180 longitudes towards the west of the prime meridian. The earth equals this prime meridian divides the earth into two equal hemispheres. One is eastern, another one is western hemisphere. Okay children, next one, as the earth is round, the full circle has a 360 degree. See here, as the earth is round, a full circle has 360 degrees. The 180 degree west and the 180 degree east longitude is one and the same. Unlike the latitudes, the longitudes do not run parallel to each other. They are farthest apart at the equator, and the distance between them grows lesser and lesser till they meet at the two poles. See here children, in the middle, here will be 0 degree. This like you have to go, here will be one middle part, that is north pole, south pole, it is an axis. So this like we have to cut the parts. This is the equator. The equator is divides two parts. Divides the earth into two parts. See here, international date line. International date line. Can you see the international date line on the two maps? Can you see the international date line on the two maps? No, you can't see. Now we will show you. It runs from the north pole to the south pole. See here, it runs from the north pole to south pole. The top of the north pole, see here, bottom, south pole is here. It passes almost through the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Which ocean undercomes? The middle of the Pacific Ocean. Look carefully at the map on the left. See here, Pacific Ocean. This is the map. Okay? See here, Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. Look carefully at the map on the left. The international date line follows the 180 degree longitude. In some places it deviates from that meridian to the east or to the west. The international date line follows the 180 degree longitude. In some places it deviates from that meridian to the east or to the west. Yes children, this is international date line. Here Pacific Ocean is there. See here, it passes almost through the middle of the Pacific Ocean. See here, this line. Okay. The next one they have given here red lines. As the name suggests, the international date line marks the change of day. It will help us to change of the day. The date changes as soon as one crosses the international date line. The date changes as soon as one crosses the international date line. When we cross over from the west to the east, we gain or add a day, and when we cross from the east to the west, we lose or subtract a day. When we cross over from the west to east, we gain, otherwise we add a day. When we cross from the east to the west, we lose or subtract a day. The international date line is not a straight line. Find out why children. Do you know? No. Okay children, today you have to read once again which we have told, which we have read. Those you have to read and clarify the pictures. Tomorrow we will continue next period. Okay children, bye.